Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for east central Benton County in northwest Arkansas, western Carroll County in northwest Arkansas, north central Madison County in northwest Arkansas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm with strong low-level rotation that could produce a tornado at any time was located near Hobbs State Park and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball size hail. This is radar indicated threat rotation.
Oh my god. It's cutting me off. That's what it's doing.
Wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations in or near the path include peerage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for north central Washington.